Alright guys, what we have today is AK74 disassembly. Everything that does not require a tool to take off the gun is taken off the gun. Magazine, muzzle brake, everything like that. What we have over here is a stopwatch. Before I pick up the gun, I'll press start, and we're going to start assembling it, see what kind of time we get with that. Hopefully it's pretty low. Just trying to show off my kalashnikov skills and gonna get some feedback on that and see, if you guys think that time's good enough or whatnot. Alright, I'll go ahead and start. Picking up the gun before I even start the time. Alright. Alright, there's the time that we got. I'm sure I can go and improve on that. I don't see this going any below 35 seconds. It's quite a